So somebody says, hey, you want some free barnwood? I'm like, sure, I'll grab it. So I load up my trailer, with one load anyway. Of course it was raining, so I had to put it in my shop. Well, that's the way it goes. So I said, well, I'm just going to go ahead and stack some up here. Well, then I noticed there was bug holes. I said, well, that's not going to work at all. So I took it all outside, put it under cover, redid my rack a little bit to modify it slightly, make it all better. Since this rack originally was for household storage and some oddities, I decided I'd take the opportunity to modify it a little bit. And so I made these little L brackets that are going to hang from the rafters. That's so that I don't have to worry about digging through the lumber pile to find a piece of wood I want. I can at least separate it out, sort it out a little more by size. It's going to make my life a little easier and going to be more functional. And you can see the L brackets. They're just simply 3 feet out from the wall, and then they come down from the rafters. And they are mounted to the rafters with number 10 by 3 screws, so they're pretty strong. And up against near the wall on that ledger board, I decided to use a normal twist bracket that's used in normal rough construction, just to give it a little support and help prevent from twisting. And these go together pretty well. Of course, they're spaced out 24 inches apart, just like the rafters are. So it's going to give me plenty of support and be very functional, I think. Let's see how this thing works here. Well, it'll at least hold 105 pounds. Since I was spraying the wood down with woodworker, I went ahead and sprayed the shelf down as well before I laid them up there, just to be on the safe side. And now for the fun part, putting all that lumber that's been sprayed down with the woodworker to treat those bugs up on the rack, so I can get them all sorted out. So I went ahead and sorted everything by size outside. So I've got, my 12-foot boards, my 10-foot boards, my 9 and 8-foot boards, and so it worked out pretty well. So I've got my 10-foot boards up against the wall on the longer part of the shelf, my 10 and 12s. Then I've got some of the 9-footers, 8 and 9-footers up top on the L brackets that we just discussed in the building, and then some of my shorter stock out on the front ledge. So I got plenty of room, plenty of barnwood, and now I just got to build some projects. And actually, I have more barnwood I could go get, should I desire to, which I think I will. So if I see a t-shirt, a bumper sticker, or a shirt that says, "Got wood?" I guess I can now say, yeah, I do.